Good morning, students. I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today I am going to give the video to the topic of solubility product, which is in ionic equilibrium. Very important topic. Okay, every year one question is in the solubility product. It is going to be giving as a complicated. Okay, possible different type of question for solubility I will upload. Follow my video, like, share and give more subscribers for my video. Now let us go to the question. This is NEET 2019 question. pH of a saturated solution of calcium hydroxide is 9. The solubility product of calcium hydroxide is. Okay, now let us see the question. How the data I am given, whatever data given is writing is pH of the saturated solution of calcium hydroxide is 9. They are asking solubility product. So now this is the question. Now what is the knowledge is pH is given of a basic solution. Formula is pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Where pH is 9 means the pOH is 14 minus 9, you can get the pOH, that is equal to 5. Okay, pOH 5 means from the pOH we can find out the OH concentration. Formula is pOH is equal to, this is equal to negative log of OH concentration. So you should take the first OH concentration from here. Let me write here. Negative log of OH concentration is equal to 5. I want OH concentration. So this minus become there as a minus. To remove the log, what we have to do is, here it is to remove the log, it is find out the anti-log of this, and this is what is it, 10 power minus 5. So OH concentration is 10 power minus 5. So this is the first stage of your sum. Now let us write the equilibrium reaction for calcium hydroxide. Equilibrium, which is in the solid state, existing as a calcium and then OH minus, these are in the aqueous condition. Okay, now in the equilibrium what is given is concentration of OH is here. Now the overall concentration of OH is 10 to the power of minus 5. This is the knowledge. Now according to the stoichiometry, 1 mole of calcium hydroxide gives 1 mole of calcium and 2 mole of OH. Now what is the knowledge is 2 mole of OH is equal to 10 power minus 5. Therefore 1 mole is equal to, this is for calcium, 1 mole, because stoichiometry of calcium is 1. This is 2. So now half of this 2 is 10 power minus 5 in I want 1. So what I should put it, 10 power minus 5 divided by 2. So this is where concentration of your calcium. Now let me write solubility product is equal to concentration of calcium into concentration of your OH to the power 2. This is the formula for the solubility product. Now let us substitute the values. Calcium concentration is written. Calcium concentration is 10 power minus 5 divided by 2 into OH concentration. Already I told this is overall OH concentration. 2 OH is equal to 10 power 5. This is overall OH concentration. Yes. What is it called as a 10 power minus 5 and the power is 2. Now let me write. Here it is. We can write as a half into 10 power minus 5 into 10 power 5 into 2 minus 10. So you are getting half into 10 power minus 15. What is half is 0.5 into 10 power minus 15. This is the answer. Let us go and see the options. Here it is 0.5 into 10 power minus 15. So this is the answer. Okay, now let me again repeat the main point. pH is given, from that you find out the pOH because it's the basic solution. From the pOH, for that we are using, this is the first formula. The next formula is negative log of OH is equal to your 5. From that you are calculating the OH concentration. This is the second formula. What is the third one is the solubility product formula. With that you are find out the answers. Let me go to the one more question. Here it is NEET 2018. It is very simple question. The solubility of barium sulfate in water is 2.42 into 10 power minus 3 gram per liter. Here is the important point you have to notice. Gram per liter at temperature. The value of a solubility product will be molar mass of barium sulfate is given. Usually the solubility product should be given as the moles per liter. Here it is given as the gram per liter. What is the value is given? 2.42 into 10 power minus 3 gram per liter should be converted into a mole per liter. So given weight to mole means what is the formula is N is equal to W by molar mass. What is given weight is 2.42 into 10 power minus 3 is the given weight. Molar mass is given, what is it? 233. So this is the number of moles of the barium sulfate, or I can say this is number of moles we are calculating, or we can end is the solubility. Now what is this answer is? Now you have to bring it, this is on here 242 into 10 power minus 5 divided by 233. This is on division, that is 242 divided by 233 gives 1.038 into, this is on calculation I am writing, of course this is after calculation you are getting. So now what you are getting is this is only converted moles per liter, that is the solubility. Now in the barium sulfate the solubility product formula is x to the power of x, y to the power of y, and then s to the power of x plus y. This is the formula. Now write what is it? 1, each one is ion, 1 to the power of 1 sulfate, this is the y, 1 to the power of 1, and then s to the power of 1 plus 1. So what you are getting is s squared. So this is the short formula to find out the solubility product formula. Now they are asking s squared. So s squared is equal to, this is s, 1.038 into 10 power minus 5 moles per liter the whole square. So simply you can write the, easily find out, minus 5 into 2 minus 10. With that I am just following, that is to the power of minus 10. We are having only one option, that is the A. I am concluding. For verification you can find out, this is what is the thing is 1.038 into 1.038, or I can go with the 1.04 into 1.04. You find out 16 and then 401 or 1801. Here you are having, so you are getting 1.08 into 10 power minus 10. Like that also you can find out the answer. So again I am repeating here, what is the work is gram per liter, you have to convert it into a mole per liter. That is the tricky point number 1. Next, what is the formula is? That is number of moles equal to given weight by molar mass. Number 2 is find out this formula s square. On substitution, even without completing the answer with the powers itself, you can verify and identify the answer. Thank you children.